This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Jessica Godsey. Well cared for mountain cabin with hardy plank exterior and knotty pine rustic interior. Open living room, kitchen, and dining room floor plan. Hardwood flooring, stone and gas log fireplace to keep you cozy in colder months. Bedrooms with full bath and double vanity on the main and upper level. Full finished basement bedroom with full bath as well. Loft with 2 twin beds, more space for everyone. Enjoy watching the local wildlife on this 2.16 acres from the front porch, screened back porch with shades, private screened porch off the primary bedroom, or while you relax in the hot tub on the lower patio. Got you covered when the power goes out with the Generac Generator still under warranty. Seller installed leaf filter system with transferable warranty. Circle drive and double attached garage provide ample parking for family and friends to visit. The location is close to downtown Ellijay, making for excellent full-time residents or a great spot to enjoy all that Gilmer County has to offer when vacationing at your home away from home. Call for your appointment today. For more information,